So today we went outside. I needed to because I mentally am not okay. And I'm okay to say that, to tell you the truth. I'm okay to say that because I know a lot of moms are going through a lot right now. And it's not easy. I will have a nice sit down talk with you guys in the house. Right now we're outside. I don't want to say too much because my first son likes to repeat stuff. But I need the fresh air. Everybody needs the fresh air. Say hi! Wait, let me take a picture. Say cheese. Oh, you guys look so handsome. Okay, take my picture with him.
Alright, I'll see you there. It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you.
Hello everyone. I'm in the middle of the snow today. It's awesome. Very, very cool. But I'm here to go get some groceries for my children because there's not a lot of stuff. Oh, see when you do things last minute? Oh, yeah, you're thinking about other things. You're not worrying about your mental health. Anyway, I'm going to show you what it looked like. So basically, me and this other person is walking in the street because no one is shoveling their snow. And it's really, really high. And this is like a Jeep. It's really, really high. It's like a big Jeep. I had to put glasses on because it's like smacking me in my face. And thank God for this mask. I pray that the supermarket's open. Alright guys, I gotta go.
I know that something special made me think about you. About you.